Hello and welcome back to your own channel Career Swami, which helps you with your career journey. If you like what you see, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive future updates. Also, our Hindi channel Career Swami Hindi is available where we upload career and education related videos every day. So if you are someone who love Hindi and want to enjoy career and education related videos in Hindi, do subscribe to the Hindi channel. Thank you. Friends, in this video, we will tell you a free certification course which has been launched by TCS IN, which is the learning wing of TCS. The course is titled NOC Introduction to Programming in C. This course looks very promising, so do watch the video till the end to gain complete insights about this course, where we'll take you through what this course is about and how you can enroll in this course. So here you can find all the details about this course. The course is titled Introduction to Programming in C. Duration of the course is 8 weeks and it requires a minimum commitment of 4 hours per week to complete this course. So in total, around 32 hours of your commitment per week. Now what you will learn in this course? So you will learn Introduction to Programming, Conditionals and Loops. So this is a basic level C course. You will also learn data types, operators, expressions, functions, arrays, pointers, and recursions. And then you will also learn some of the advanced topics like multidimensional arrays and pointers, file handling, structures and linked list, multi-file programming, pre and post increment operators. So about this course we have already seen. So who is this course for? So this course is for aspirants to learn the art of programming and solve problems using a computer. As we have already said, this is a basic level course and no prior exposure to programming is required. Even in prerequisites, no prerequisite is required to take up this course. If you look at this will be the like of certification which you will achieve once you complete this particular course. And yes, once you complete this course successfully, you can mention this in your resume. The certificate is from TCS IN. Tata Consultancy Services is also mentioned here, your name, and it will also talk about what all things you learned in this particular course. Now let's see how can you subscribe to this particular course. Once you click on subscribe button, we will use login via Google to subscribe to this course. Let's try. Once you click on Google, we are diverted to the sign in with Google page. Here, let's enter the email ID. Then it asks for your password. So do enter your password. After entering the password, you are shown the welcome screen where you need to choose the state of India where you belong to. So this is how you can subscribe to a course on TCS IN or any other course from TCS IN. This is an awesome opportunity provided by TCS. Make sure that you make the best use out of it. We wish and hope that we come out of the current difficult times soon. Thank you for watching and best of luck in what you are doing now or what you would like to do. Friends, we have launched our new book with the title Cracking the Job Interview. This book can convert your rejection to success at job interviews. The book will benefit any present or future job seekers across any industry and domain. The book is available across all countries on Amazon. Also, you can read this book for free by subscribing to Kindle Unlimited Trial. Please check out the description for more details. Thank you once again.